So good morning students. Today we will discuss about online testing. Okay. So what is online testing? Okay. So online testing means online examination and all. See, online examination is a new technique to conduct an examination through internet. So you can give exam on the internet. Okay. These days many institutions are allowing several candidates to take test online. Okay. In online test you can take instead of the conventional panel paper test. Okay. So what are the advantages of it? Low cost. Okay, low cost you can give exam. Okay, then minimal effort, without any effort to write exam, you can just click on the options there and your exam will be finished. Okay, minimum employee deployment. Okay, minimum employees are required to conduct the exam. Okay. hmm. Saving on time. Okay, time will also save, and instant results. Okay, you will get instant results what you have entered. Okay, and some of the several advantages of online testing. Okay, the candidate is to be the candidate to be tested select keys in the answer sheet on a computer. Okay, so multiple choice questioning. Okay, it is the thing that is explained here is multiple choice questioning. There are 4 to 5 options are given and the question is asked, and you will click on this option and your answer will be registered. Okay, so this is how it works. The candidate has to test select key of a computer. However, one big challenge faced by testing authorities is to make sure that online test is taken by the individual himself or herself, so not anyone else. So there is a chance of cheating also, so that only that person is allowed to give exam that name is his or her, whose name is allotted. Okay, so this is done by fingerprint scan, signature scan, etc. So with the help of fingerprint scan, with the help of fingerprint scan, one can determine that it is that person only. Okay, now next thing, wikis and other online writing. So what is this? Wikipedia. Okay, Wikipedia means is an encyclopedia where you can browse anything. Okay, you can browse any topics on Wikipedia. So what is the thing? Wikis and other online writing. See, Wikipedia is a free open source content online encyclopedia. Okay, created through the collaborative effort of a community of users known as Wikipedia. So who write that? What is the name of the community that helps to write Wikipedia pages? Wikipedians. Okay, so see, Wikipedia is the largest encyclopedia which has over 8 million articles, means 80 lakh. Okay, 80 lakh articles are there written in 250 languages. How many languages? 250 languages. Please underline this. Wikipedia is the largest encyclopedia which has over 8 million articles written in 250 languages. Okay, it is contributed by more than 75,000 active contributors each day. So more than 75,000 active contributors publish their writings on Wikipedia. Okay, anyone registered on the site can create an article for publication. So anyone registered on the site can create a article for publication, and registration is not required to edit the article. So anyone can edit it. The key difference The key difference between Wikipedia and other online references such as Encarta and Britannica, they are also encyclopedia, is that all the content has been supplied by public. Okay, so all the content, this your Wikipedia's content has been supplied by public. Okay, and also edited by public. Okay, the name, but in Britannica and Encarta it is done by only professionals. Okay, the name of the site the name of the site comes from wiki. Okay, a server that enables anyone to edit website. So Wikipedia comes from wiki, from a server that anyone, what, a server program that enables anyone to edit website. Okay, content through their web browser. So using a web browser like Google Chrome, Safari, etc., you can edit Wikipedia pages. Okay, wikis is named after Hawaiian word. Okay, Hawaii is a place, and Hawaiian is the name of the language that is spoken there. Okay, so wiki is named after Hawaiian word wiki, which means quick. Okay, so wiki means quick, a way of creating web pages collaboratively. Collaboratively means with the help of a group of persons. Okay, in addition to the encyclopedia, the non-profit Wikipedia Foundation manages several other open content projects. So what does Wikipedia Foundation and other maintain? So this is very important, please write. Okay, please give a tick mark on your book. Okay, so what are these? Wiki dictionary, a dictionary and thesaurus. Wiki books, a collection of free text and other books. Okay, wiki quote, a collection of quotations. Okay, wiki source, a collection of free source of documents. Okay, wiki varsity, wikiversity means a university, collection of free learning materials. Okay, then wiki species, a directory of species. Okay, different types of species are there, no? So our human species is known as what? Homo sapiens. Okay, and last is what? Meta wiki, which coordinates all the other projects. So these are 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 things comes under this Wikipedia foundation. Okay, so please go through this video, students, and if you have any problem you can comment down your queries in the comment box. Okay, thank you.